Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can organize Zoom meeting for the first time. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So firstly, you need to learn how to schedule the meeting. So in scheduling, you'll be creating everything, every details in the meeting. So go with the schedule option. Now for the first time, what you need to do is you need to have your meeting's name. You can choose any name. You can choose the date from when to when. You can choose the time from here, from which time to which time, your location from here, and if you want to repeat, you can repeat it from here, or you can customize the meeting as well. If you have any name or email address, you can have it over here and just press on save. So that's how you're gonna organize your first ever meeting in Zoom. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.